be over here looking real ugly in the process of getting real cute. Let that sink in. Look at my skin. Oh my goodness. Exfoliation, hair removal, dermaplaning, lip enhancements, skincare, and of course, dessert. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. My name is Destiny. Welcome or welcome back. I recently ordered a few new products from Amazon, so we'll be testing those out today as a part of my self-care beauty routine. I ordered a 3-pack of the Summer's Eve cleansing cloths. For the price that I found these on Amazon, I could not pass them up. I like to feel fresh and clean whenever I have to go, so these come in handy, especially because they're individually packaged. I have the 2-pack of the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide razors. I love how Amazon carefully packages the liquid items. This is the Yes to Cucumbers Gentle Milk Cleanser. This is the soothing one for sensitive skin, and I love how it has a pump. This is the 2-pack of the exfoliating loofah pads. We're going to try this out in the shower. It does have the hand grip as well as a little hook end for you to hang it inside of the shower. I also added the Noxzema face scrub to my cart. This one is the Anti-Blemish daily scrub. I love Noxzema products, but I haven't tried this one yet in particular, so we'll be testing it out soon. And in my most recent nail video, a lot of you all recommended that I maybe order some new nail bits. Of course, I browsed Amazon and I found the ᶫᵒᵏ nail drill bit set. We will be testing those out on Friday in an upcoming nail video. In that same video, I reviewed the Mia Secret Clear Acrylic Powder Kit, and since I liked the monomer that came in the kit, the smaller bottle, I went ahead and ordered the large size. I have too much time on my hands, obviously, so I ran across these face mask holders. This is the 5-piece mask bracket for inner support. It's supposed to protect your makeup and create more breathing space. Whenever I wear makeup again, I'll tell you all how I like that. And if you're not new here, then you know I absolutely love Ambi's skincare products. This is a 2-pack of the Complexion Cleansing Bars. If you watch my vlogs, you saw my recent trip to Nashville. We did go by Lush. I picked up this massage bar. It's supposed to leave your skin feeling nice and smooth and moisturized. I also got the fluffy white bubble bar. This is supposed to make lots and lots of bubbles, so I cannot wait to use that. And one of the associates was applying this jasmine and henna hair treatment to her hair. I've never used henna on my natural hair before, but I will be testing it out in an upcoming video. So those are my recent Amazon purchases, and if you want to see what else I purchased while in Nashville, I did do those unboxings in the Nashville travel vlogs. So later that night, I went ahead and took my shower, and while I was putting my products away, it was only right that I was going to reach for some of my new things. So I'm going to swap out my old razor for my new one and place my Ambi soap on my shower soap dish. So I've already started my shower, and now we're going to exfoliate and give this loofah pad a try. So it does have the hand grip on the back, which makes it easy to hold this and grip it while you're using it in the shower, and it's not too rough. Plus, when you wet it, it makes it a little bit softer. I'm using it in combination with my Caress body wash on tonight, massaging my body in circular motions. I could definitely see myself using this on the bottom of my heels to keep my feet soft in between pedicures, and it removed that excess deodorant from underneath the arms very well, because I sometimes find it hard to get it off with just a normal washcloth. First impression, this exfoliating loofah pad definitely has a place to stay in my shower. And I'm no stranger to the Ambi products. I always find myself repurchasing the Complexion Cleansing Bar. Any product that aims at evening my skin tone, I'm all for it. So I'm using this bar tonight in combination with a regular washcloth. I forgot to show you all this scrub because it was actually already in my shower, but I purchased this while in Nashville from Lush as well. This is the Scrub Shower Scrub. It's a velvety blend of sea salt, charcoal, and juicy blackberry puree. So I'm just going to massage this all over the skin in circular motions. Normally I'm a fan of sugar scrubs over salt scrubs, because if you have any cuts or burns, salt is going to let you know, and I would rather not know. This scrub leaves my skin feeling so soft and smooth. It's definitely a must-have before shaving your legs, or even if you just want soft skin. And I know, stop typing. You're wondering if this scrub left any stains in my shower. It definitely did not. I wash my shower after each use. If you can look past the mess that this scrub may make and focus on the important matter here, getting softer skin. As far as using the exfoliating pad and then a scrub in the same night, I definitely would not do that. I'm just filming for you guys, so I used both. Since both products have a place in my shower now, I'll just most likely alternate the nights that I reach for them. Different brands call for different things when it comes to how often you should exfoliate, so I definitely recommend following whatever the instructions recommend. So now it's time for Shave Saturdays, a catchy phrase that helps me to remember to shave once a week. So I'm actually running low on my shaving foam, but I didn't even need it anyway. Didn't find that out till later when I read the directions. But this razor has flexible moisture bars, and when you wet it, it releases this body butter, so the glide is actually smooth when you use it in the first place. I was trying to go in a downwards motion since I saw that some of you all do it that way in the comments in a previous video, but I think I just prefer the upwards motion when shaving my legs. I like this razor. It removed the hair. It does what a razor is supposed to do. Now I went ahead and finished up my shower because I was just really kind of making a mess. I have to find the best way to film leaving the curtain open for you all, but until then that's kind of like the best I can do. And also my legs feel so smooth. Voiceover Destiny probably already said this, but like they just feel good. You know how if you've exfoliated and you've shaved, your legs are just your body or whatever, and then you get into bed, the way your skin feels on the sheets. Like my robe is long, it comes all the way down below the knees, so when it's like rubbing up against them, and I already put on my oil. These are the two products I used. I put on the Skin So Soft body lotion, and then on top of that I put on the bio oil, skincare oil all over. If you all watch Kyra Amanique here on YouTube, she featured this in one of her beauty videos. It was either skincare, one of her beauty videos, I don't remember, but she was talking about this product and I was interested in trying it out, so I bought the smaller one. Whenever I try something for the first time, if there's a smaller one available, that's usually what I'll get. And then since I ran out, I purchased the larger one. Like, I was in an accident, and so I would just like put it on some of my scars and things like that. But now we're gonna do skincare. I'm gonna get my little braids out of the way. I try not to get cleaning products in my hairline just so that I'm not drying it out. So I got two new cleansers. Y'all know me, I don't switch up skincare too much. I don't like to introduce too many new ones at a time. So from Amazon I did order, this is the Noxzema. It's an anti-blemish daily scrub. Since I'm about to do dermaplaning on my face, which is basically shaving of the face, I don't think it's a good idea to use the scrub at the same time, so we'll try that one another time. But I am going to use the Yes To. This is the Gentle Milk Cleanser for sensitive skin. So even if you don't have sensitive skin, the fact that I'm about to shave my face, I know that this would be a more gentle formula for doing that. Then back to Voiceover Destiny. I know y'all like when I talk to y'all live, but for editing purposes, it's easier sometimes when I do a little bit of talking and then a little bit of voiceover, just to like keep the editing like to where I can really shorten it the way I want to. First things first, let's get these contacts out. So I like to use the Optic Free contact solution. That's the one that my eye doctor recommends. I always take out my contacts every single night, and I also use clean solution every time. If I'm just lounging around the house or just randomly throughout the week, I will opt for my glasses just to give my eyes a break. Alright, let's test out this cleaner. So if you're not new to my channel, then you know I'm more of a if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of person, which is why I swear by the MB foam and cleanser. As I'm currently sitting here doing the voiceover, it's been about 5 days since I filmed this video. I've been using this cleanser every morning and night. Although I don't have sensitive skin, this product is for sensitive skin, which is what I like about the formula. It's gentle, but it's effective. I like this cleanser. It doesn't burn. If you could assign a fragrance to the word gentle, this will be that. Wow. Aloe. Oh, cucumbers and green tea for a moisturizing cleanse that won't strip the skin. 95% natural ingredients. See, that's why I love Yes To. They have really good products and natural ingredients, like it just said. This isn't sponsored, by the way. We're just testing out new stuff. You so loud on speaker. I'm just gonna kind of massage this over my face. It's definitely gentle. Only thing I did was brows today, so I'm just running it over the brows to make sure the concealer and then where I filled in with pencil and all of that will come off. If it's only a day where I just do just brows, I won't waste a makeup remover wipe for that. That's good enough. I don't double cleanse much when I have a fresh face day. I don't feel that my skin needs it. Girl, I got y'all propped up on my little tier thing and it's just rolling. Look at my skin. Girl, oh my goodness. I've been switching up the way I do things since I noticed that I was getting breakouts because of masks. Not skincare face masks, but the masks that we all have to wear now. Like I noticed I was getting them only in the area that the mask covers. Around the same time when I ran out of a toner. Speaking of toning, new product that I got as well. Because depending on what the product is, certain things are still sort of hard to find or hard to purchase, and it's just like you'll have to pick from what's available. I think I included in the vlog when I showed you all when I went to Walgreens to grab a few things. So I have the Sea Breeze Sensitive Skin Astringent Deep Cleaning with tingling, refreshing feeling. And I basically just feel it in here. You can get this on Amazon. I'll link it for you all, but it's definitely cheaper if you can find it in Dollar Tree, because Amazon got literally the same one for like $7. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. So for the toning step, even though we're about to shave the face, just to get my pH back to normal level, gonna wipe with this. And I feel like even though I was consistent with my skincare routine, when I was out of toner, I would just wash my face, double cleanse, probably pat dry, put on my moisturizer and then my oil. The same way I like, you know, clean my cell phone off and change my pillowcases every week, different things like that. It's like if you clean your house up with products that smell good but don't get rid of germs, you know, like if you clean your toilet with something that just makes it smell good in your bathroom but it didn't sanitize anything, it didn't get rid of any germs. You see what I'm saying? So that's how I felt like my skincare routine was just lacking something that really gets all of the bacteria out. I'm not trying to stretch this out. I really wanted to be like, if you saw my maintenance routine, the one that has like 1 million views now, I wanted to kind of be like voiceover style where the clips are like really just running, but I like to talk to y'all at the same time. So this is my theory for why I think masks break people out. When you use toothpastes and mouthwashes, right, you use them because there's a such thing that's called bad breath germs. Not saying that you have bad breath, but different germs that are in the mouth that are bad breath, kind of like you have good bacteria and then you have bad bacteria, right? The conclusion that I came up with currently as I'm standing here talking to you all right now, my germs are not resting on my face. If you're wearing a mask and then you're also chatting in your mask, it means when you speak, germs like they come out of your mouth and then they just rest on your face for the rest of your day until you go and wash your face and do your skincare routine. And we're about to shave my face next, but oh my god, 7 minutes. This is gonna be a long maintenance. It's okay. I thought about the fact that a lot of us are wearing like the more cute masks and things like that. When you think about the different fabrics on a lot of these, like I got a whole bunch of them, like a lot of different ones. They hang up in here because, you know, every night I'll just wash whichever ones I wore and hang them to dry. In the years of doctors wearing masks, there's only a certain type that they wear. I mean, it's not the cutest thing. Not necessarily testing my skin, but a way of just trying to spend time on a strict new skincare type of regimen since incorporating masks into our skincare as well. I just wanted to, you know, do away with the cute ones and just wear the ones that have been around for a while. I bought a 50 pack from Walgreens and I'm really strict at this point about trashing it. If I wear it and I only had to run into a store for 5 minutes, I'm not saving it for the next day. I'm still just going to trash it. So yeah, now I'm done talking for the rest of this entire video. Voiceover Destiny. Do your thing, sis. Do your thing.
So now it's time for a little dermaplaning, however you say it. I'll wait for you all to correct me down below. Engagement. So my face is nice and clean. I added hot water or warm water to my spray bottle. I'm just gonna mist this over my face. It's not the most gentle as it comes out of the bottle, but it's cool. As cool as this aloe vera gel that I'll be applying to my face next. For one, this helps the razor to glide smooth, and it also helps you all to see the peach fuzz in case you could not see it before. Too close? Okay. My bad. So I'm taking a new razor from that same pack when I filmed a maintenance video last year. Wipe that down, make sure it's nice and sanitized before I shave my face. Actually, YouTube terms, you want to pull your skin nice and tight and then you want to angle the razor, a 45-degree angle to be exact, and then, you know, shave your face. By the way, we need thumbnail options. Okay, back to the shaving. So yeah, you want to pull your skin nice and tight and you want to shave your face. You want to go very slow and take your time so that you don't cut yourself. If you're wondering, by the way, about shaving your face and whether the hair will grow back thicker or faster, or whatever your concerns and questions may be, hair will not grow back thicker or faster. Shaving does not change the number of hair follicles or the rate of the regrowth. How did I do? Do I sound like a YouTuber? No? Okay, cool. I go downwards near the brows, but I never get too close to the brow area, and also notice that I don't turn my razor in the opposite direction to go towards my hairline. We want bae to have a nice hairline, but we're not trying to mess with ours, okay? I'm gonna say the same thing I said in my last maintenance video. Most guys get their haircuts every week, and most of them can't even get their beards to connect. So me shaving my face is not gonna help me grow a beard either. Why? Because cells have memory, and peach fuzz will always grow back as peach fuzz. And I mean, look at the results. Doesn't it look worth it? Is it worth it? No, I'm kidding. If you don't think it's worth it, just skip the dermaplaning. So let's go ahead and cover my lip care routine. We've done the body, of course. We cannot forget the lips. So this is literally the same lip scrub from Lush. When was I in? I think Atlanta 2 years ago, probably. Either way, it lasts a very long time, but if you don't think it's worth it to purchase a lip scrub, I found this ingredient details on Lush's website. It's definitely just sugar and oil. You can mix this up at home to get softer lips, which is great for when you're applying your lip combo. You won't be laying your products on top of dead skin. And I'm applying my Bliss cream to water hydrator all over my face. I always forget to use my roller. I always leave it in the fridge since you all recommended that, and I haven't taken it out since. So if you have a roller, definitely include that in your routine as well. chin lift, anyone? I ordered these compact V face masks from Amazon, I think last year when I did my maintenance routine video. I have 2 more left in a 5-pack, so clearly I don't use these as often as I should. Lengthen the mask and hang it underneath my ears. You can leave this on for about 15 minutes. It's supposed to help reshape and lift up your face and neck. Like I said, I don't use it often enough to really say if it works or not. But hey, I'll just assume that it does something, right? So I'm going to take my 100% cocoa butter stick and apply that to my lips and a few areas on the face. I be over here looking real ugly in the process of getting real cute. Let that sink in. And as if I haven't treated myself enough already in this video, I'm going to finish off with making a strawberry shortcake. Since this portion is a little bit self-explanatory as far as the items you will need and how to make the shortcake to your own preference, I want to close by ending the video with this. Self-care is definitely important, especially for people who are giving to others most of the time. I read a lot of comments where you all tell me that you have to spend time caring for this person or you don't get time for self-care because of this or that. But even if you can just dedicate not a full blown out routine, but the best 15 minutes of something that you personally choose to do for yourself, I think that that's important, because without self-care, we obviously begin to burn out. We can become stressed. We can go on an emotional roller coaster, and it's just not good to let yourself go, you know. Never imagine a life that's about committing to others without committing to yourself first to make you feel happy. Self-care is essential in creating the life that we want and that we love. And how can we give to others without first giving to ourselves? So always make time for you. Imagine planning out a full day's schedule of work and not fitting yourself into it. And never feel guilty about setting aside time for yourself. You deserve that time too, and don't feel guilty about it. If you're still here, I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free to do so. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Beauty and maintenance style routine videos have definitely become one of my favorite types of videos to create here on my channel. If you all want to check out content just like this, then be sure to click on one of those videos to the right, and you can click on my face to subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free.